Welcome to My Tech Space, your ultimate guide for all your tech-related issues, where we solve all your queries on computers, cell phones, gadgets, internet, and technology. Telegram is a cloud-based mobile and desktop messaging app where messages are heavily encrypted and can self-destruct. It's been getting popularity day by day, and in today's video we shall learn how to download, install, and create an account in Telegram on Android devices. Before we dive into the process, please make sure that your internet connection is stable. So without further delay, let's get into this. Firstly, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Then click on the search bar at the top. Type in Telegram and tap on search. Then let's go ahead and tap on this Telegram icon. And in the Telegram window that appears, hit the install button. Now you're going to want to wait for some time while the app installs. After the installation is done, tap on open. You'll now be on Telegram's welcome screen, and your first interface will be like this. If you guys don't know, Telegram is the world's fastest messaging app, which is free and secure. Now let's tap on start messaging to register your Telegram account. Telegram will ask you to allow this app to receive calls so that they can automatically confirm our phone number. Now tap on OK and allow Telegram to make and manage phone calls. Then select your country and enter your correct phone number. Now press on this blue arrow icon here to continue. Now you're going to want to tap on OK to allow Telegram to read all the call logs so that they can automatically enter our code for us. Again, let's go ahead and tap on allow to access our phone call logs on Telegram. This will take some time and it'll land you on the page where you'll have to enter a 5-digit activation code via SMS on your entered phone number. Now I'm going to switch to my SMS app to view a 5-digit code that I have just received from Telegram. Let's enter the code here and voila! Congratulations guys, you have just registered your Telegram account. You can now start an encrypted, ad-free conversation. That's all there is to it guys. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe as well. I hope the video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all in the next one.